follow these cars. Here's a hot new red one. Yeah, baby. Buy that car from Larry Gardner.
Hey! Derek Tenor here, baby. Calling from the home of the low payment king, Monroe Dodge in Monroe, Michigan, baby. And just like Larry Gardner said, we got a lot of hot deals going on right now. You guys need to get here, take a look at our inventory, take advantage of these deals, baby. They just put an extra $1,000 on the Avenger, Caliber, Sebrings. That's going to lower your payment $25 a month.
All right,
come and see me up.
Whoa, whoa, here, this is hot. Come check this out. Right here, baby. We got two of them. Two Dodge Caliber SRT4 turbos, 300 horsepower apiece. Man, these things sizzle. Now, if you go to my website, Larry@MonroeDodge.com, or my YouTube site, Larry2075, you can see these cars do what they're supposed to do. I got a red one, black one. Come on down here. Keep up, keep up. This is just new right now for 2009 Sunburst Orange, baby. It's blazing. You gotta come get this car for me today. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Man, I get excited.